Hello everyone. Uh, we are in this MICE labs. We are doing this activity of training the medical students. So we're connecting engineering technology to medical students, and how to use this technology to actually develop devices or innovate using their ideas to actually perform some uh, perform some projects or perform some devices in which they can actually use this thing, but in particularly to solve some daily life issues. So there was just received a problem from a doctor who's in advanced surgery department of JJ Hospital, Mumbai. So he mentioned me that he wanted to know about the exhaust breath analyzer. So basically, I've devised a device known as this is B-Box Hornbill. So basically, it's a microcontroller, and it's very easy to program. So the ease of use is very much. So I used a gas sensor, and this gas sensor is connected to two LEDs. Basically, I programmed it. So now you see the LED is glowing green. So this gas sensor detects the alcohol and carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide in its outside temperature, outside atmosphere. So the property is that this gas sensor heats up when it's connected. So if I'm touching this, I'm feeling a bit hot sensation. So it heats up. This enables the gas sensor to actually start, to give it a start. Okay, so now we have already did the programming, and this is a Bsoft app which uses the programming for doing that. Now what I did is I've given different conditions, so you can see readings for that. So currently at A1, terminal A1 is the gas sensor connected, and if you see the readings over here, it's showing around 533. It is taking the atmosphere levels of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. So, like for example, if I give a breath, if I give a breath now, so can you see, like I've made this thing in such a way that if I'm giving a breath, then the light is turning from green to red. So that means the levels are increasing in the atmosphere. So when I'm giving a breath, that means um I hope you could see the moving movement of the light properly. So when you see, actually I'm giving the breath, that means it is going into the danger zone, and the light turns red uh, instead of being green. Always it's green, that means it's safe. But when it's turning red, means that means the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide levels are increasing. So then the light turns red. We can do different modules also over here. So this particular thing can be applied in different places. So if I keep this thing in a place where there is work with continuous toxic gases, and different types of gases are being used there. So if I'm using in such a place, then this thing will actually yield a lot of help, and it help us to detect. Also, instead of this LED, I can keep a buzzer, so that if there is some issue, then the buzzer will actually turn on and give us the indication. I can actually show that to you also. Just a minute. So you see, the buzzer is basically turning on. So when the carbon dioxide levels are increasing more, then it is going off. If I'm covering it also, then also there's a possibility of the thing to go off. So it's a wonderful project, can be used in different places. Exhaust gas analyzer.